Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how you can turn on and off your Sony wireless headphones, this model here. So on the left earpiece you're going to have the power button just here. You have to hold it down for 2 seconds to turn it off and 2 seconds to turn it on. So right now these are actually synced to my phone here. If I want to turn them off, I'm going to hold it down. Blue light comes on and it tells you that they're powering off, and now these are no longer connected to my phone, so they're not going to be wasting any battery. And then because they're already synced up to my phone, next time I come to use them, you just hold down the power button for a couple of seconds. Blue light goes on like so and it says power on, and now it's synced up to my phone here. So if I was to play a track and if I was to use the volume, you will see that the volume's moving up here and volume down. So very straightforward, that's all you have to do. 2 seconds on, 2 seconds off. Thanks for watching.